Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well at your end. Today's recipe is a unique appetizer. Look what I found. Yesterday I had gone for grocery shopping and I found these Shimeji mushrooms. I really love these mushrooms. When we were living in Brazil, we often used to make lots of dishes using these exotic mushrooms. So I was really thrilled when I saw them. So today's appetizer is a very easy one with few ingredients and I'm sure you're going to love it as much as we do. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. We have taken Shimeji mushrooms, about 200 grams. They come like this in a cluster form. And garlic, crushed garlic 1 tablespoon. Black pepper 1/8 teaspoon. Salt as needed. Olive oil 5 to 6 tablespoons. Mayonnaise 1 tablespoon. We have a small bunch of parsley, fresh parsley, and 2 potatoes. List is also available in the description box. Peel the potatoes, cut them into small cubes like this, and wash the parsley and chop it up. Now in a large bowl of water, we are going to clean the mushrooms. Separate them first. They are like a cluster, so we have to separate so that they get washed very well. No sand particles, anything remain in between. By separating, this will become easy. Now cut off the base, the root part. Each mushroom you do that. Now we are going to wash them again very well with your hand so that all the sand particles come off. Now under the tap, running water, you rinse them couple of times very well. Now these are washed and cleaned. Now let's start cooking. In a pan, heat about 5 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Fry the potatoes first. Add little bit of salt. Give them a nice mix and cover the pan. Reduce the flame to medium now and let them fry. In between, open the lid and keep stirring them so that they get fried evenly on all the sides. Insert a knife to check the doneness. They're nearly done, little more to go. This looks perfect. Now the color is also lovely. Remove them into a plate. Now the same pan we are going to fry the mushrooms. Add the garlic first, crushed garlic, and toss it. Spread it so that it gets cooked and the color starts coming. Once the color changes to light brownish, we will add the mushrooms then. As the garlic is being fried, oh, the kitchen is filled with lovely aroma. Now you can see the garlic has become brown. At this point, dip in the mushrooms. Keep the flame high because mushrooms have to be cooked on high flame to maintain the crunch in them. Add little salt and keep tossing them until all the moisture dries up. Do not cover the lid. Keep sauteing them until the water is all dried up. Now I think Time to add the other ingredients, seasonings. You can see that oil is separated now, no more water content. Dip in the fried potatoes. Add the seasonings, black pepper and mayonnaise. We are keeping this very simple because the mushrooms have their own earthy flavor, the umami flavor, which will be lost if you add lot of seasonings. This is a very simple dish with just a couple of ingredients. Add the chopped parsley. Give it a nice mix and it is done. The dish is almost ready. Just took less than 10 minutes. Now what we are going to do is remove the excess oil. Now you may say, why add more in the first place? We have to add more oil because this gives the crunchiness to the mushrooms. I have tried it with less oil also, but this one is better. This oil can be again used to make some noodles or any other dish. It's full of garlic flavors. Now you can see all the excess oil is gone and you can enjoy the dish. Dish it out and serve it. By itself also it tastes good like an appetizer, or little bit of garlic bread on the side to make a complete meal. Let's do the tasting. This is one of our family favorite dish. Amazing flavors. And the mushrooms are perfectly done. The nice crunch in them when you bite them. So friends, do subscribe to my channel to see more such recipes. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. You might like them too. Stay tuned for the next recipe.